Ever seen those viral ASMR videos where people slice glass fruits? Do you want to know how to make these ASMR videos? Today I'll show you how to make these viral videos in just 2 minutes. You might think you need some fancy tools like VO3. But let's be real, making them with Google VO3, not cheap and definitely not beginner friendly. That's where FlexClip comes in. No cost. No downloads. No learning curve. It's an online AI-powered video maker that helps you create stunning, professional-looking videos in minutes. Step 1. Generate the glass fruit image. Let's see how to make ASMR videos with FlexClip. Firstly, open text-to-image tool. And enter this prompt to get a realistic glass fruit. Step 2. Turn image into ASMR video. Next, convert your image into a video with FlexClip AI image to video tool. Enter the prompt and wait for the fruits cutting video. Step 3. Add ASMR sound effects. Now the video is ready. You can add immersive SFX. Click the Edit button and you will be inside the editor. Click on the audio on the left. Search for cutting or let AI generate cutting sounds. Step 4. Fine-tune your video. Finally, sync audio to motion. And export your masterpiece. From static image to full-on glass cutting ASMR. No VO3 needed. Just try FlexClip. Now it's your turn. Besides that, if you want to try out the most popular AI video trends, FlexClip is your way to go. You can easily create the most viral AI videos, such as AI kissing videos, AI fighting videos, etc. Feel free to try. That's all for today. If you want free AI credits, comment AI, and we will DM you the free AI credits and prompts to try. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI videos, tips and giveaways. See you next time.